Hello students, now we will see question number 5 of exercise 11.4. So let us first try to understand the question. The question is, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is given to us 1.54 meter cube. Okay, so find the height means we have to find the height of this cylinder and volume is given to us 1.54 meter cube. And the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. Okay, diameter is given, so we have to find out radius from that. One more thing, the diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. This is in centimeter. Okay, and the other one, this 1.54, this is in meter and this is in centimeter. So first of all we need to convert and make the units same. First step is convert and make the unit same. Next, from diameter we have to find out radius, or we can directly also keep by writing upon 2. Let us quickly move ahead with the solution part. So solution part, first we will write down whatever is given to us. So volume is given 1.54, so volume equal to 1.54 meter cube. Then diameter is given 140 centimeter. So ये centimeter से इसको meter में convert करेंगे. So 140 we will divide by 100 to convert it into meter. So our answer will be 1.40 meter. Okay, so this conversion you have to do. Okay, so we have got diameter also in meter and this is also in meter. So now we will start our solution part. So volume is given to us, so we will start with the formula of volume. So volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. This is r square, okay, not r2. This is printing mistake. R square h, okay, pi r square h. This way it is, okay. So the formula is pi r square h. This is the formula for volume of cylinder. Okay, now volume is given to us. Volume is given 1.54. So volume given है. So इस side, इस तरफ volume के जगह पे उसकी value put up कर देंगे. We are just putting the values 1.54. Volume is given. Now this side pi r square h. Pi means 22/7. R means radius, and radius is half of diameter. Okay, so diameter divided by 2. So what is our diameter? So radius will be 1.4/2. Okay, our diameter is 1.40, so this we have to find out radius from diameter. So radius is diameter divided by 2, that we know. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, half of diameter. So we have to take out like this. Okay, our radius will be 1.40/2. Okay, so this will be our radius 1.4/2. Now putting the values carefully in the formula. So pi will be 22/7. R square means r 2 times. So 1.4/2, 1.4/2 into height h is not given, that we have to find out. Find the height. The question is find the height. So height we have to find out using all these values. So height हमको निकालना है. So what you can do is this 3 we have to take it this side. Okay, just like equation we will solve it. So this 3, 7 into 2 into 2, we have to take it this side. It is in the denominator, so here it will go in multiplication part. Okay, and this 3 will go in the denominator here below 1.54. Okay, so h will be equal to 1.54 into 7 into 2 into 2 और नीचे आ जाएगा 22 into 1.4 into 1.4. सो दिस वे ये जो आपका नीचे तीनों दिया है वो यहाँ पे ऊपर आ जाएगा, और जो ऊपर दिया है वो नीचे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. एंड दिस साइड ओनली h विल बी लेफ्ट आउट, हाइट विल बी लेफ्ट आउट, दैट वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. सो जो ढूंढना है h वो वेरिएबल यहाँ रखना है. रेस्ट ऑल नंबर्स वी हैव टू शिफ्ट from here to there and from there to here for finding out h. Now we have to do cancellation. So after cancellation, this cancellation is possible. 7 1s and 7 2s is 14. So here 0.2 will come. Again here 2 1s and 2 7s are 14. Then this 2 1s and 2 11s is 22. Then 11 1s and this 154 is also coming in the table of 11. So 11 1s and this also in table of 11. You have to cancel it. And this 1.4 1.4 2 times here decimal point is there. So if you write it upon 10 and upon 10, it will become 100. And here also 1.54. Okay, here also upon 100 is there. So this decimal also will get removed, it will get cancelled off. ऊपर भी आ जाएगा अपॉन 100 और नीचे भी आ जाएगा अपॉन 100, और ये दोनों का जो 100 है उसको ऊपर लिख सकते हैं और ये दोनों का जो 100 है उसको नीचे लिख सकते हैं. तो इन शॉर्ट 100 अपॉन 100 आ जाएगा. तो दैट विल बी cancelled, that will get removed. Here also decimal point after 2 digit, here also 2 decimal places we have point. So in final answer decimal we will not get. Okay, now after all cancellation, after doing properly all the cancellations, okay, after all proper cancellations, this all after cancellation, what we will left out with, we will be left out with 1. The answer will be only 1. सब कुछ cancel out हो जाएगा and our final answer will be 1 meter. So height of the cylinder is 1 meter. So height, they were asking height to find out. So height we have got, height of the cylinder is 1 meter. So this is the solution part of question number 5. Hope you understood this one.